What is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this somewhat of a shoe review, go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And we're getting really close to that 8,000 subscriber mark here on this channel. Thank you for your support for those that have subscribed already. For those that haven't and want to be entered into this raffle, go ahead and do that. I'm giving away a couple different items once we hit that mark. I have a Supreme balaclava, it's a face mask in a black color. I have the cat in a hat Supreme tee in a size medium and the white t-shirt. And I have 3 Bape magazines in which they all have different accessories in them. I have like the wallet, I have a Bape kids bag, and then I have a Bape sling bag. So again, once we hit that 8,000 subscriber mark, we're gonna announce these prices and just go. Alright, let's get into it. This is the new shoe from Adidas. This is the Yeezy 700s, the Salt colorway. I actually won these from a ticket raffle that Sneaker Politics here in Austin, Texas was hosting. The Yeezy 700 Salts retail at a price point of $300 USD, at a couple of dollars for your taxes based on your location. In terms of resale, looking at GOAT, looking at StockX or Grailed, the shoe, depending on the size that you need, is going from anywhere from $350 to about $400. So really, it's retail plus tax. So if you're trying to sell these now, you're probably breaking even. And comparing this 700 to the other 700s that have been released already, I would rank this, the OGs being number 1, the Statics being number 2, this being number 3, the Salts, and number 4, the Mauves. I can't input the Inertia colorway because it hasn't been released and I haven't seen it in hand yet. When I got the call from Sneaker Politics that I had won one of these Salt models, I walked in thinking that I was gonna get a Yeezy 700 that was white, not one that was in this color. And definitely I was making fun of the name because table salt you don't really see in this color. Like normally you associate salt with it being white, not whatever this is. Curiosity definitely got the best of me. I already knew that sugar came in different colors, especially since my family in the Philippines, we have a sugarcane farm, and knowing that it starts off brown and then they just bleach it into white, which is like the table sugar that we see everywhere, I was thinking that maybe natural salt has different colors too. And I got online and researched it and saw that salt does come in like 4 to 5 different colors. They have like blue salt, they have black salt, red salt, orange salt, and this gray salt. So I was like, damn, I guess I can't make fun of this colorway name. If anything, this taught me that you should always do your research. Regardless of facts, I thought this was going to be an all white shoe and not this color. And to be quite honest, I think this colorway is really dull and really boring. I'm actually tired of reviewing the Yeezy 700 model, but it doesn't stop there. I'm actually tired of reviewing the 350s, I'm tired of reviewing the 500s. It's all become a little bit predictable, a little bit lackluster, lack of innovation. It's just repetitive. And that's not denying the fact that the Yeezy 700 probably employs the best midsole technology in the shoe game currently with that Boost technology. And that's also not denying the fact that they employ some quality sourced material on the upper of the shoe. It's just, this is getting tiring. I come to realize that my main issue isn't with the shoe, but with the guy at the top. Kanye West, he's a self-proclaimed genius, but comes out with boring colorways. And he's already milked the 350s, the 500s for all they're worth. Is that really genius? I think the only thing that's genius is his ability to pull in kids to drop $300 on a pair of shoes on a boring colorway to feel what? To get you to feel exclusive to this club, to feel high and mighty? Calm down. Everyone has this shoe. You're not that special. And the shoe isn't reselling well. So this is the box that the shoes come in. It says 700 on the front. It says Yeezy Boost 700 right here, made by Adidas. I don't feel the need to talk more about the Yeezy 700 Salt model. It's pretty much what you see is what you get. And it's pretty much identical to all the 700 releases of the past. And if you want more details on the 700s, I actually did a Mauve review and I did the Static 700 reviews, which you can check out the links at the end of this video. I'm more than sure you can guess my final thoughts on the Yeezy 700 Salt model, so I think this is a good stopping point for this video. What do you think about the 700 Salts? Is this a good pickup, a bad pickup? What do you think about this in comparison to the past 700 releases? And what do you think about these still being at that $300 price point? Honestly, I thought this would have dipped down a little bit, but they're somehow still $300. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Alright guys, I am Chris Catalunya and we will check you next time. Cheers, sige na.